Hello everyone and welcome to our community. We are excited to have you join us. I'm Belgica and I will guide you in this video. Let's start by introducing you to Vision2Reality Foundation. Vision2Reality Foundation is a forward-thinking nonprofit organization that celebrates diversity and inclusion. While our main focus is on supporting Canadian newcomers, our resources are beneficial for anyone looking to start a new business in Canada. We offer valuable resources, connections, and opportunities for community engagement, all designed to help aspiring business owners thrive. Our journey began with a group of successful Canadian entrepreneurs who understood the challenges of starting a business as newcomers. Our founder, Winnie Zhu, arrived in Canada 30 years ago with $1,000 and a vision. Today, she and her team have created a social enterprise to help others in similar positions turn their entrepreneurial visions into reality. This is a testament to the possibilities that await you here, and we are excited to support you out there your own path to success. In this video, we'll give you a quick tour of what's happening here, the valuable information you can find, and some important actions to help you get started. So this is our community. Let's talk about our community. Here you can find discussions on various topics with community members constantly sharing posts with important information in the business and professional world. You can interact with this post and you also find details about past and upcoming events. Be sure to add these events to your calendar so you don't miss out. Stay engaged and participate to get the most out of your membership. You also find a link to our YouTube channel where you can watch all our storytelling and workshops videos. These videos contain valuable information about the business world in BC that we know you'll love to discover. Now, let's go over some important steps. We want to get to know you better. Complete your profile with detailed information about yourself and your interests. It's the beginning of solid networking. Don't forget to download our mobile app for easy access to our community. Lastly, be sure to complete our welcome checklist. It's designed to help you navigate all the essential features and get comfortable with our platform. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. We are here to support you every step of the way. Enjoy your time with us and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. We are excited to see you explore and grow with our community. Bye for now.